Okay, love bugs, happy Friday to me and happy whatever day it is for you wherever you are in the world. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent over this beautiful wavy textured 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. She's 22 inches in length and she is T. And the icing on the cake is she came with the pre-styled baby hair. I literally have not touched the hairline. I have not manipulated the baby hair at all. This came literally straight out of the box, which is chef's kiss. I did a completely 100% glueless install, no heat, literally put on and go, and this was the result. It's definitely giving springtime. I'm super ready for a little bit of heat, although California is always warm, right? I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, looking crazy, but you guys already know, happy Friday for me and happy whatever day it is wherever you are on whatever day it is in the world when you're watching this. I hope you are well. Today I've teamed up with Unice, as you guys seen in the intro, and hopefully I was looking much more tea than I'm looking right now. They sent me over a beautiful wavy textured wig and it is pre-styled with that baby hair. This is the bag that the wig came in, and I always keep this so I can know what I'm working with. This one here is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig, and it's a 22 inch in length. The texture is water wave on this one, and it's pre everything. So I feel like that's a mouthful, but it's really in your favor. Look at this beautiful texture here. We've been joking about California and how like winter and spring are tussling and having an argument, because this morning it was cloudy. Right now it's beautiful, like 80 degrees. I feel like the weather, the spring is wanting to pop out, and this is like that perfect pop out when it's time to bring out the crop tops, the cutoff shorts, and all of the things. This is the hair right here. Vacation, travel, easy. No hot tools needed with this one. This one here is one that you can go ahead and install, especially if you're going out of town. Go ahead and do like 2-3 layers of glue. Bind this baby girl down. Bring you a little bit of mousse. Even just some water and some conditioner is all you need, and you're good to go. As I mentioned, this is a pre-everything wig. So this one here has a pre-cut lace with the pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline. And it also features that nice scalloped cut. And then of course, as I mentioned, it has the pre-styled baby hair. So you guys already know it's Friday afternoon. It's actually 3:10. I'm planning to leave with Dominic for her slew of classes in the next 5 minutes, and I have to get her dressed. So let's go ahead and put her on and go. When you flip it around inside, you'll see that nice closure. It's nice and long, so it'll give you like frontal vibes. And then it has 2 combs right at the front. In the back is that 3rd comb, and then you also have adjustable straps. Is it? Yeah, adjustable straps. And then you have a really nice drawstring. So no matter what's going on, especially like I said, when you're out of town and you're going on vacation and things like that, you about to go on a ride, you about to get in a pool, you about to do anything spontaneous, go ahead and grab underneath, get that thing real tight, tuck that drawstring back in just for a little bit of extra security. And let's get a thumbnail. Also, if I did not mention, there are the grooves right here. They're very camo, so you can barely tell, but there's just grooves on each side, and this is for an adjustable elastic band. They did include mine in the package. I'm not going to use it today because we have the drawstring. So let's go ahead and throw her on and melt her down and get out of here. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. When they say put on and go, that's exactly what it is. You guys can see the hairline fits absolutely glueless. The baby hair is already like perfectly in place. Everything about this one is perfect. Even the texture of the hair, you really could get away with walking out of the door and not doing anything at all, and I love that. Parting is magnificent. I literally would say just add a little lace tint and you're good to go. Here's what the hair looks like from the back. Nice and soft, beautiful texture, very airy and bouncy. And again, the waves on this one are super duper duper defined. It's also nice and full. Okay, really quickly, this is a look at the drawstring. I'll pull the hair up so you guys can see. You can literally access the drawstring even when the hair is installed, and literally you can just pull, and then there's a stopper here, and you can just use the stopper to keep it at the setting that you like. And then once you're done and you have your desired setting, you go ahead and tuck it back in. You can add the comb to the back and you are literally good to go. This is what it looks like on, and especially now it is super 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 glueless. You don't have to add any product at all. I'm gonna pull it back and add a little got to be glue just to melt the lace. Even when it fits glueless, I feel like adding a little bit of product will make the hairline just melt and marry with your skin a little bit better. And it just, I don't know, it makes it look better in real life than if you don't add any product at all. But as you guys can see, I was able to apply the product, and you don't have to like blow dry it. You can add a melt belt on top, or you can blow dry it, but you just really don't have to. And then from here, we can go ahead and tint the lace, and I think we can be done. So for today's lace tint, I'm gonna use this here. This is the Ruby Kisses Mineral, or no, this is the cream foundation in the shade 16. It's a double palette, so you have two different colors. As you can see, they're a little bit deeper than my own complexion. They're more of like a contour shade. So I'm just kind of gonna mix them. Then I'm gonna tap these into the hairline just to see if we can get it nice and melted. And if this isn't the correct color, of course you can typically go in and adjust. I like this range because you can get it on Amazon. Very simple, easy, quick shipping, fast shipping, and they are affordable. So you can grab a couple in your like skin tone range and switch them out for whatever color you need on whatever day. And this on this side is what it looks like with, and then this side is what it looks like without. And that looks absolutely amazing. You can for sure add a melt belt to go ahead and set everything into place. For the parting, I'm going to use the powder version, and this is shade 15. It's a mineral foundation powder, and it's a little bit lighter. Next, I just want the hair to look a little bit more finished, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of mousse on top. You can typically do mousse or like the dynamic duo, but the hair on this one is so perfect. I kind of want to keep the height up here. So I'm going to go in generously with the mousse and just work it in. You can even add some to that baby hair if you want to go ahead and switch it up. The mousse will work great as like an edge control. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of a cream just because I don't want this to end up crunchy. And I do find that when you use straight mousse, sometimes it will dry a little bit more crunchy. I love this mousse from Lotta Body, or not mousse, but this cream product. Dakota's hair used to love this when she was a toddler. I haven't bought it in a while, but the one thing that made me stop buying it is every time you get a fresh one, the pump never works good. So I just want a little bit. And this is a Lotta Body product as well. And just like that, we're good to go. All that product added a beautiful shine and luster to the hair. I'm going to add a little water at the ends just because I know it's going to air dry on my little dry. And again, I don't want crunchy curls. I kind of want soft, fluffy curls. And from there, you can take a brush to kind of break up the box curls a little bit. Fluff it out, and look at how beautiful that looks. And just like that, we are good to go. This one is absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be even better once it dries. We haven't even touched the baby hair, and it's already set nice and perfect. If you don't like it like that, you can of course modify it, or you can order this one with no baby hair. And that's pretty much it. Okay, love bugs, you guys know I'm always here for a quick updo. So before we go, let me show you guys what the curly and the wavy wigs are hitting for when it comes to the updo. So I'm going to do the same thing I typically do with my other textures and just do a little quick up like this. You can use any clip you have on hand. A nice sassy bougie one will be better. And voila, in literally 2.5 seconds, you have a beautiful updo. Now, you guys know I do this all the time, and it looks amazing with like body wave texture and the big boom curls. But sometimes there's like nothing to do with the hair when it's super long. Look at how beautiful this looks with the wavy textures. Definitely the perfect updo to give you just that vibe. Again, use a fancy sassy clip for a even better effect. And yeah, let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so now we're done with the look. Let's go ahead and check out our package. As I mentioned, this one did come from Unice, and you guys know I love this color, this packaging. It's so fire. Inside, we did get a couple of goodies. As I showed you guys, we did get the adjustable strap They did put it in a little Ziploc baggie, so you're able to put it in if and when needed. They also gave me a sheet of the wig tape. So this is wig tape that you can use to bond your wig down for more of a glueless fit. We also got a pack of HD wig caps, and these are exclusive to Unice. We also got this here, which is a melt belt, and it matches the packaging, really cute. And last but most certainly not least, we did get a pack of press-ons. This is definitely on theme, and these are also exclusive to Unice. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I really love this look. If you know me, you know this is like my everyday staple put on and go wig. Very easy to install. Really no heat needed, not even for the install or the style. And because you can take her off at night and put her back on, you can definitely preserve the curls, or you could put large twists and do a twist out on a nightly basis, put her in a bonnet, whatever you like. You also have the baby hair here, which is flawless. This is definitely giving a summer and spring vibe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We have dance in like 30 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.